How to get free stickers in Monopoly Go. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can get free stickers in Monopoly Go. So without further ado, let's get started. To get free stickers in Monopoly Go, you can participate in daily events, claim regular gift shops, and complete milestone challenges. So for daily treats, you must log in every day past level 25 to claim daily login bonuses that frequently include free sticker packs. Second is quick wins. Complete the simple daily and weekly tasks to earn green, orange or pink sticker packs. And shop freebies. Open the in-game shop right over here, and you want to make sure to basically scroll to the free periodic gift, which actually comes every 8 hours, and claim it for a chance at random stickers. And these are some ways you can get free stickers in Monopoly Go. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.